2-2 on the way. Breaking pitch, and that is yanked over the head. And Hosmer, that's a fair ball headed toward the corner. Iannetta will score. Trout is going to be stopped at third base as Francoeur gets the baseball in. And the Angels get one on the double by Aybar. It's 6-5 Kansas City. Boy, Dino Evil at the last minute throwing up that stop sign as Francoeur got over to cut that baseball off.
And he got it in so quickly. Now that slider, again, you can make that adjustment. Stay in the middle part of the plate. You just on that line down, going down the right field line. Remember, it's 29.